Hello YouTube, this is finally officially happened. I'm ready for you guys to watch every single step behind my chair at the salon. I promise 2019 is gonna be full of education for you guys. Welcome to my channel. Forever Curls is gonna bring to you the best. So this is my salon and you have to follow me. Before you even cut or color curly hair, you have to understand that natural curly hair tends to be more fragile than a straight hair. And don't forget, before you even start cutting curly hair, you have to look at the hairline. You have to pay attention also to the growth pattern, hair density, hair texture. They of course can be fine, medium, coarse, thick. For this cut, I want to leave as much length as possible and create a lot of volume. That being said, I took the highest point on top of the head and I over-direct everything to that point. And let's talk about length, guys. Everybody's always asking for length. They don't want to cut nothing off. But if your hair is chemically damaged, stressed by flat ironing, blow drying it, and all that stuff, you need a haircut. A good haircut can remove those damaged areas, and those curls are gonna spring back to life. A little cut can go a long way. So don't be afraid, please. Tension and balance are your best friend cutting curly hair. Remember, always think curly hair is uneven. Do not ever cut it dry or straight. You have to create a balance based on the curl pattern. Remember, a lot of people have more than one. Can be added on the head, they are looser curls and other ones that are tighter. Let's talk about how much personality a good haircut can give to you. Of course, you're gonna have a better shape. You're gonna improve length, curl definition, shine, and of course, those bounce curls that everybody's talking about. It will give you a better absorption. So much for visiting my channel, and please do not forget to subscribe for more. Enjoy!